Good morning. Oh, I'm sorry. You might be too young for this. How about a hot chockey?
That's very flattering, but I'm actually 45. What's happened to me?
Ah, I know what it is. It's that sleep mask you wore. It took years off you.
Literally.
This doesn't make sense.
Wow, it's made from New Zealand's finest merino wool, so you get a more comfortable sleep.
Don't worry. A few business meetings, you'll be back to normal.
I know it'll cheer you up.
Thanks, sweetie.
Wake up feeling fresher and maybe even younger with the Bird Mask by Allbirds and Air New Zealand, now flying business premier.